Subhanallah wa bihamdihi. Subhanallah al-Azim.
In the early days of Islam, people often came to the companions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, with questions about life, worship, family, and charity. One day, Abu Hurairah, radiyallahu anhu, was asked a simple, yet very important question. A man asked, "Can a woman give charity from her husband's wealth, without his permission?" Abu Hurairah paused and replied with clarity, "No, she cannot give from her husband's property, without his permission, but she can give from her own maintenance, from what he provides for her as her right, and when she gives from that, the reward is shared between them. She earns reward for her charity, and he earns a reward for providing." This moment teaches us something profound. Islam is a religion of balance. It guards the rights of the husband, and it honors the rights of the wife. If she were to take from his wealth without his permission, it would not be charity. It would be a betrayal of trust. But if she gives from her own share, even if it is small, Allah multiplies the reward. And notice the beauty. The husband is not cut off from this blessing, because when she gives from what he provided, he too shares in the reward, without lifting a finger. Subhanallah, the mercy of Allah spreads within the family. In charity, purity and honesty matter more than the amount given. In marriage, trust and respect are the foundation. And in Islam, every act of giving brings light, not just to the one who gives, but to those who support it. So remember, every coin given in the way of Allah counts, but it must come with sincerity and with rightful ownership. Do not take what is not yours. Do not give without right. But whatever you give sincerely, even if it is a single coin, can shine on the scales of the day of judgment, and carry reward for more than just yourself. O Allah, make our charity sincere for your noble face. Bless our wealth and families, and forgive us for what we have done in the past and what is to come. Ameen. Stay tuned for more Hadith reminders.